It's your lucky day as another switching deal has recently hit the market. So Co-op is offering up to £150 when you switch to one of its current accounts. Now, this is one of the smaller deals on the market compared to TSB's £160 offer or First Direct and Santander's offers of £175. Keeping with tradition, Co-op has laid out a whole bunch of hoops for you to jump through to actually get this reward. Honestly, I've never seen anything like it. Gone are the days of simple switching deals. So Co-op's deal works in two parts. To get the first £75, you need to apply for a free standard current account or paid for everyday extra account and switch using the current account switching service. You then need to deposit at least £1,000, have 2 or more active direct debits, make 10 or more card transactions, register for online or mobile banking services and log in all within 30 days of your switch completing. The good news is at least any balance or direct debits you transfer over as part of the switch, they will actually count towards that minimum deposit of £1,000. Part 2 is broken down into an additional reward of £15 a month for 5 months, which makes the remaining £75 to make your overall total of £150. To be eligible for this second part, you will need to have received your £75 switch payment and opened an eligible regular saver account. But that is not all. It doesn't stop there. You also need to deposit £50 into that saver each month and continue using your current account. So you need to continue paying in £1,000 or more, making 10 card payments and having 2 or more direct debits every month. Now, the regular saver comes with a massive 7% interest on balances up to £250 a month. That is a fixed rate though, which means you'll need to keep your cash in there for a whole year to take advantage of that 7% rate. But if you save the maximum amount of £250 each month, you could earn around £264 between your switching deal of £150 and the interest on your saver, which totaled £114. The standard current account is free to use and you can apply for an overdraft when you open the account if you're eligible. The cards can be added to your Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Wallet, like most other bank cards, and it is available as a joint account as well. The Everyday Extra account is a paid account, so that's going to set you back £15 a month, but it does come with mobile phone insurance, worldwide travel insurance, and UK and European breakdown cover. It's got all the same features as the standard account thrown in there too, plus you can request a joint account and get all of those same features for 2 for the same price. £15 is a little steep, but you do pay a premium for those kind of insurance features. For comparison, Monzo Max also offers travel insurance and that will cost £17 a month. However, there are cheaper options. So something like Revolut Premium, for example, that hooks you up with quite a few different travel insurance policies, plus loads of extra travel money features, and that costs just £7.99 a month. Right, so when you really break this deal down, it's really a £75 switching deal plus a £75 reward for saving with a Co-op regular saver, which is not very competitive when compared to those other switching deals I mentioned. The land of switching deals in general has become a bit intense these days, with banks basically asking for your firstborn child to be able to claim the full amount they say they're offering. So it's not uncommon to see all of those T's and C's involved in the process of getting your switching deal. That being said, if you are going to do the work, you might as well get the most money out of it as possible. First Direct are offering £175 for a lot less effort, and Santander is currently offering £175 when you switch, plus the potential to earn an additional £520 over the year in interest from their Edge Saver and cashback. The current accounts that you're looking at here, they are pretty basic, and you can get travel perks for cheaper than the Everyday Extra account with something like Revolut. Co-op have always prided themselves as being an ethical bank. They've got a public-facing ethical policy that supports the planet, people, and community. So maybe these current accounts could be a good option if that's your vibe. And you can actually read more about their policy by checking out their website or clicking the link up here. Ultimately, This offer is a little too much work to entice me in, but if you were looking for a new everyday spending account and saver, you'd likely hit a lot of those requirements naturally. For example, I'm definitely making at least 10 card payments every month. So why not take advantage of that extra money with your brand new everyday spending account and saver? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Give us a love below and subscribe to the channel for even more videos like this one and in-depth reviews. See you next time.